Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Krystal and I have been living in my van part-time for 2 years. I am currently parked in the backyard of my family's house because of quarantine. I'm not traveling at the moment and it's been a while since I've cleaned it, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Also, yes, I did dye my hair, or I colored it back to my natural color. I used to be blonde, but I just wasn't feeling it anymore, and sorry if you hear the rooster, my neighbors have roosters. But my natural color is like black, brown, and this is it. I'm like almost ashamed to show you guys what it looks like inside my van right now because it's gotten so messy. But it's the reality of it. It's van life, it's a really small area, it gets really messy really fast. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now, and then I'll clean it and show you guys the process of that. I want to get it like deep cleaned, empty, like take the bed out and everything, like the futon. It's just a futon, so I can like easily remove it so that I can get measurements for my cabinets, which I'll have in there permanently, because right now I just have like little dressers that like I put in there and nothing is like nailed down or anything. I'm trying to like custom make cabinets to have it seem like a legit, like a real nice home. So that's what I'll be doing today. I don't know if I want to show you this. And you can't even see the worst of it, but I'll show you. You can barely see the floor. My bed sheets aren't even on right now. And my front seat. And I don't even know where to start. But I think what I'll do first is the laundry. So I'm going to grab all the clothes that are under the bed in storage, like under the futon, throw them into a laundry basket. And then after that, I will probably do all the trash because there's so much trash in here. All the clothes are ready to wash. So next, I'm gonna try to take this whole bed out, which usually I need 2 people. I'm gonna try to do it myself this time. So now that the bed is out, I can finally take everything that's on the floor. Literally suck at throwing. Next, I'm going to take all the big containers out. Storage, the whatever this is, probably the cabinet too. I'm going to take off these makeshift door panels. They're literally like fabric that I had put in with like wire or nails or whatever. But that isn't holding up too well. I'm trying to do like actual wooden panels. Started testing it on this one right here, and I actually like how it looks. And then I'm gonna make my own curtains, kind of like the one that I did over there. And I think it'll be really cute and make it feel like a real home. So I kind of cleared out the back side of the van. Now I have to do the front of it, which still has a lot of stuff. I just found my hammock strap that I lost like a long time ago. So at some point I kind of want to chill on my hammock. I found a Polaroid that I had taken a while ago with Patchwork Canteen. There's their little orange van right here. There's my van. I was in Mojave National Preserve. I wish we could be traveling again, but COVID-19 and quarantining and everything has made it a little difficult for that. My plan was originally to go on the road full-time in May of 2020. I don't know if I'll be able to start traveling in May like I originally planned to. And I'll probably make a video on this in the future about COVID-19, how it's affected me personally, how it's affected other van lifers. I cleared out a lot of things, but I'm getting tired, so I'm gonna go hammock. Alright, hammock break is over. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of the van. I found a friend. I don't really know if he's nice or not. Go. Go. Oh my god, where'd he go? Time to sweep. I always forget how tall I am until I'm standing up in the van. For those of you who are wondering, my ceiling is about 5'4" and I am 5'7". So the only place I can stand is right here. It looks and smells so much cleaner than before. I'm going to clean everything in the front part of the van, including the carpet, because this is the only place where I have carpet in the van. So I'm going to vacuum this and then wipe everything, and I have a lot of random things on the dashboard. Napkin, chapstick, Krystal, which I usually have on the dashboard. More trash. And with these seats, they're so old that they're kind of coming apart, and I always lose things in here. So here's another. I wonder if there's anything else in here. Oh, that's a fuse actually that I was using to replace this one because it had blown out, but I guess this is the old one. The last thing I'm going to do as a finishing touch is burn some incense, just so that it has an overall finishing touch of smelling really nice. So the incense that I have is frankincense. And then I have a little chakra incense holder that I like to put it in. It just has a whole bunch of like handmade stones put into a little sculpture thing. And now the only thing I need to finish cleaning is the dashboard. And the dashboard actually has a lot of little random mementos that I've kind of collected over the 2 years that I've been in the van. Starting with, I'll show you this crystal that my friend actually got me. So that's been up there just because it has some sentimental value to it. And this dried flower necklace that I've actually showed you guys before, this was a gift to me from whenever I went to a vegetarian restaurant, which also had like a little temple in it, and I've just kind of put it on my rear view window, and it's been there ever since. And it does shed a little bit, like dry leaves and stuff, but I don't mind it. And then I have this pine cone that I picked up from a camping spot in North Texas that I went to. And I picked it up one of the first times that my boyfriend and I actually went out camping together. Oh, I do have another pine cone. It's a smaller one. And this one, I think I got in Colorado. I've just kept it ever since also. And I have this parking permit that I never took off. This is also from Colorado. It's been in the sun so much that the words have actually faded, but you can at least see that it says the city of Boulder. Anyways, that should conclude my video for today. That was kind of my, not really routine for cleaning my van, but that was my process for cleaning the van right now. Getting it cleared for whenever I actually do my van build, which there'll be a series for that in the future. If you want to see the whole process, make sure you are subscribed to me. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!